Hi everyone, Crafty Decoria here, and I have another quick Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. The majority of this haul is Valentine's Day decor, but I did pick up a couple other items that weren't, and so I thought that I would share them with you today. So as usual, here is an overview of the things that I picked up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I figured I'd start off with the non-seasonal items, and I was very happy to come across all three of these. So the first is this license Toronto Maple Leaf lanyard. I was looking for one for my son, and I was really happy to come across this one. It looks really well made, and he happens to like the Toronto Maple Leaf, so this was perfect for him. I then came across this e.l.f. product. It is a tone correcting powder, and it is in cool. So the number for this is 83801C. And I went ahead and opened it up so that I could show you the inside. It has a mirror, and then there you can see the powders in the blue, yellow, green, and pink. So I was really excited to pick this up. And then the last thing that I found, which I didn't even notice until I got home, is I picked up this food and fitness tracker. It's non-dated. It has fitness, meals, and goals. And it actually feels really, really nice. It's not cheaply made. And if I can open it up here, it is by TF Publishing, and it says zero plastic, goods without guilt. And then when I looked on the back, I noticed that it says $9.99 US and $12.99 Canadian. So that is an amazing deal, and I do hope that they have these when I go back again, because I definitely will pick up a few more. So to show you on the inside here, so it is, again, non-dated, so it has month of, and then you fill in the month. And then it'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And you can track your meals, the fitness. It also has the amount of water you've drank for that day. And then at the bottom, it has important events and my reward. So I was really, really happy to find this at Dollar Tree. And again, it feels really nice. It's not thin at all. The cover feels really, really nice. So if you happen to go to the Dollar Tree, I would suggest you check these out. There were two other ones. One was a budget tracker, and the third one, I can't remember if it was just a regular journal. But I did take a picture of these, so I will have put these at the beginning of this video if you want to see the three different ones that I found, this being one of them. So this I was really, really excited to pick up. So moving on to the seasonal items, I found some natural wood pieces. The first one here is this larger heart that looks like a picket fence. I thought it was absolutely adorable. And it has the jute twine here at the top so that you can hang it up. Super cute. I came across these solid wood hearts, which I thought were really nice as well. And they have a beveled edge all the way around the heart. And then I came across this 8-piece pack, which originally they were 5 pieces, and now they have 8. They are the Color Your Own ornament. So they have the hole in the center, and then they also have the jute twine to use to hang your ornament, if that's what you want to use it for. Some more heart decor. These ones are the particle or MDF. They are nice and thick. These have a nice thickness to them. So the first one here says, "You are my person," in red with the white lettering, and there is some glitter on here as well. And then the second one that I picked up is in white with the red lettering and red glitter, and it says, "All you need is love." And I think these are super nice if you have a tiered tray to place it on one of those, or on a shelf, on a table, wherever you have a little spot to place these. And I really like how they have the bottom where it's flat so that they sit up and the heart is to the side. I thought that's super cute. And then I picked up this metal corrugated heart. So really nice size. And then in the center, there's a heart that says love with two little hands holding it. Really, really cute. I have to say that I am really enjoying the Valentine decor that they have this year at Dollar Tree. Some of the signs that I picked up this time around that I was so happy to find. The first here is the red truck, which is in like a metallic foil finish. It says Happy Valentine's Day. And then it has the red ribbon that you can hang it. And then my favorite, I have to say this time around, is the camper that goes along with the red truck, and it says follow your heart. I absolutely love this one. I came across the love signs. When I seen these hauled, I couldn't really tell if they were the exact same ones from last year, but I knew that they were a little bit different because the heart in the center is different. And I also believe that these ones here are a little bit longer than the ones from last year. But I was happy to see that the lines in the faux wood here were not drawn. They actually are cut through. So that was really nice. And this one, of course, is in the red and it says love. I also picked up the white one that says love. And then I was very happy there were only 2 left and I grabbed them. And again, I couldn't tell on video with other hauls if these lines were just drawn on, but they're not. So again, I was happy to see that. And I really, really love this one. I think out of the 3, this one is my favorite. So just as I laid these down to take a picture, did I realize that the heart on the white love sign actually has burlap instead of the metal. So it is nice that they did make them just a little bit different. And then the last items to show you, I came across the particle faux looking decor pieces that I was super excited to find. However, I was a little disappointed that the one that I really wanted to get was the white one that said love, and it was not to be found, but hopefully I will come across it. But I was really happy to come across the other 3. So the blue one that says all you need is love. This one I would have to say is my next favorite. Love is patient, love is kind, in the light pastel pink. And then I do love the saying of the green one that says together is my favorite place to be. And then I came across these picture photo holder stands. And there were 4 different ones. I believe one was a unicorn. I did again take a picture, so you'll see it at the beginning of this video. One was a mason jar, which was also adorable. I can't remember the third one. And then the 4th one was the red truck, which is super cute with this little red and white buffalo check heart that says loads of love. This was my favorite, but the mason jar was super cute as well. And off the top of my head, I cannot remember, so I'll have to go back and look at the picture. But that will do it for this quick simple but full of love Dollar Tree haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It greatly helps my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.